ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Namaste to all. So we are learning few verbs in Kannada, and those each one word whatever we are learning, it is helpful to make many more sentences, isn't it? In the previous video, we focused on the verb give, and also we could able to write the numbers, which is nothing but -1 is kodu, that means give, that is for the younger one what we use, and 00 is nothing but the respect one, kodi, that means give with respect, we can use for all elders. And also to say that statement about me that I am going to give, I will give, is nothing but kodtini, is 01. So 01 is nothing but kodtini. So when you are writing it, if you can write it with the numbers, that will be helpful to you to understand all the other verbs in the future. Because when we go to some other verb, the same concept we are using. For example, martini, I will do, which is 01. Hogtini, the tini belongs to me, self statement, that is again 01 in the future tense of the go. So now we are discussing about the give. So that means -1 is kodu, that means give. Do, ivu అని చెప్తాం తెలుగులో, కుడు కుడు சொல்றதுக்கு. Kodi is 00, nothing but DGA, or maybe the Ivandi and Kudunga. And then Kortini 01 is nothing but I will give. Nanu Kortini, whatever it is. Today, along with the pronouns, we are going to learn just 3 more words in the verb formation, which is nothing but the Kortiya, will you give? Very important, isn't it? Kortiya, will you give? Tiya always goes for the younger one, not for the elders. You can use for your own family members or maybe the youngers, whoever it is. But for all others, if you need to use for the with respect, क्या आप देंगे, इस्तारा, कुडुक्रींगला சொல்றதுக்கு கொடுத்தீரா, which is the number wise, please put it as 06. So 06 is nothing but we are asking someone to give something. Will you give? Is the respect one, is kodtira, please put it as 06. And kodtiya, I am asking someone to give something, that is for the younger one what I can use. For my own family members I can use kodtiya, that is nothing but the 05. So 05 is will you give for the younger one, and 05 is 06 is will you give for elder one. So now we can actually start the applying the pronouns. Please note down, nanu, N-A-N-U, small n, A small n u, nanu is I, and nanage, nanage, N-A-N-A-G-E, small n a, small n a, g e, nanage. How we can make sentences? Nanu, Neenu is you, and Ninage is to you for the younger one. Neenu is tum, nuvu అని చెప్తాం, నీ சொல்றோம் தமிழ்ல. In the meanwhile, Ninage is to you for the younger one. Okay, N-I-N-A-G-E is ninage. So nanu and nanage, neenu and ninage, then neevu, which is very important with respect, aap, meeru, neenga, neevu and nimage. Nimage, N-I-M-A-G-E, nimage is nothing but to you for the plural one and for the respect one. For all elderly people we can use neevu and nimage. Let's start making sentences. Let's use first nanu. I'm going to use the nanu and ninage first. Ninage, maybe you can assume I'm talking to my maybe a small kid, or maybe for my daughter, or maybe a younger one. Okay, so ninage is for you, for the younger one. Okay, Raju, nanu ninage coffee ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ತೀನಿ belongs to a statement about me that I am going to give you, I will give you. That means Raju, मैं काफ़ी दूंगा or दूंगी. Okay? నేను నీకు కాఫీ ఇస్తాను. ನಾನು ಉನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡುಕರೇನ್. Okay? ರಾಜು, ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. And then ರಮ್ಯಾ, ನಿನಗೆ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿನಗೆ for younger one. Okay? NINAGE. ರಮ್ಯಾ, ನಿನಗೆ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Or maybe one more name. ಕಮಲಾ, ನಿನಗೆ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. I will give you books. Okay? ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, I will give you. Okay? So ನಿನಗೆ is to you. ನೀನು is you. How can we use this ನೀನು? ರಾಜು, ನೀನು ನನಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡು. That means ಕೊಡು, I used the -1. -1 is nothing but we are asking some younger one to give me something. Okay, kodu. Raju, ನನಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡು. That means Raju, give me coffee. Kamala, ನನಗೆ books ಕೊಡು. Kamala, give me books. Okay. Ramya, ನನಗೆ story book ಕೊಡು. Give me the story book. ಕೊಡು. So ನನಗೆ is to me. Okay. ನಿನಗೆ is to you. And ನೀನು is you. ರಾಜು, ನೀನು ನನಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡು. That means ನೀನು is you. But when we use this verb, particularly kodu, we use less usage of the ನೀನು, you. When we use the go, ನೀನು ಹೋಗು. Okay, that is ನೀನು ಹೋಗು. That time we use a ನೀನು a lot. So ನಿನಗೆ we could able to understand today. ನಿನಗೆ is to you. I can tell ನಿನಗೆ whatever it is ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. I will give. And then so ನಾನು is me, I, and then ನನಗೆ to me. And what about ನೀವು and ನಿಮಗೆ? So let's use ನೀವು first. ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಹಣ ಕೊಡಿ. That means you, please give me money. We normally don't say you give me money. So because when we stand in front of that particular person, then it is nothing but we are talking to that person only. But now just let's practice. I can even use some other verb. ನೀವು ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ. ಹೋಗಿ is go. This is nothing but the 0 with respect. Okay? ಜಾಯಿಯೇ. ನೀವು ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ. Or ನೀವು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ or ತಡವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ. Go late. Okay? And ನೀವು ಬಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ. ನೀವು ಕಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ. So ನೀವು you could able to understand. Isn't it? And then let's come back. ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ NIMAGE. ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ is nothing but to you. आपको. Okay? And then the మీకు అని చెప్తాం తెలుగులో. உங்களுக்கு சொல்றோம் தமிழ்ல. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. I will give you coffee. Assume my teacher is at home, my house, and then he came to my house and I would like to offer him something. Maybe I'm telling him that I'm going to give this. I'll give you this. Okay. Normally we say, can I give? Would you like to have? We say, but just to make you practice, I'm using this. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಣ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. I will give you money. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. I'll give you sweets. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ, so ನಿಮಗೆ is आपको. NIMAGE. Okay? And NINAGE is to you for younger one. So ನಿಮಗೆ is to you for elderly people. Okay? ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. I'll give you fruits. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Whatever it is. So this will help. Today we focused on the ನಾನು and ನನಗೆ. Okay? And ನೀನು and ನಿನಗೆ. So when we use this particularly verb, the give, ನೀನು we cannot use much. But ನೀನು we use when you go. That time we can use. ನೀನು ಬಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗು. ಹೋಗು is -1 for the go. -1. Now you will come to know what is -1. -1 I gave the number for the using for the order and statement, order and command for younger one, for our own family members. 00 always in all the other verbs what I have used for the with respect. Okay, we are telling someone to give us something or to do something. Okay, that is the 00. And 01 always I kept it for the self statement. Teeny comes there. Teeny belongs to me. Okay, always. So note down these verbs that will help you. So today we could able to focus on the kodu and kodi, kodtini, okay, and the kodtiya. What is this kodtiya? Kodtiya is 05. Nange coffee kodtiya. That means, will you give me coffee? I asked for my daughter. ರಮ್ಯಾ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ನನಗೆ, ಟು ಮೀ. ಓಕೆ, ರಾಜು ನನಗೆ ಟೀ ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ನನಗೆ ಟೀ ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮಲಾ ನನಗೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಈಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಗಿವ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್? ದಿ 06 ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಗಿವ್. ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅಮ್ಮ ನನಗೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? REE in the ending. KO, capital D, and then small t, double E, REE. ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ is will you give. ಅಮ್ಮ ನನಗೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಆರ್ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ನನಗೆ ತಿಂಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ತಿಂಡಿ is snacks. So this, I hope this video will help you to practice all these words. So what you can do, you can just write for every one verb, different verb, just put the numbers, tense. This tense is nothing but future tense and the simple present. Okay, just write it under future tense and simple present. So this is -1 and 00 and then 01, and then today we focused on the 05 and 06 also, isn't it? So once you get all the 10 numbers 1 to 10 in one single verb, one single tense, easily you will be able to make many more sentences. And one verb, saying that what numbers we gave, on which basis we gave, the one more verb will become very easier for you to learn it. So we do also conduct the online classes for learning spoken Kannada. You can easily learn through the videos itself. We have already uploaded 90 plus videos that will be helpful to you learn. But still, if you would like to learn in the online, so we do conduct 15 sessions for a month, for the duration of 1 month, for 30 days. So there will be 3 sessions in a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday from 8 to 9 p.m. In the Google Meet. If at all you are interested, please do let me know. You can note down my number 934189561 934189561. The upcoming batch is going to start on 25th May. If you are interested, please do let me know. Namaskara.